This video tutorial quickly puts you through on how to check the storage space you have on your iPhone in easy steps. Let's just get right into it. First is to locate the settings of your iPhone. You can see mine here. If you can't find yours, maybe after swiping through the right or the left and you're not finding it, okay? What you need to do is to tap in the search box at the bottom, okay? Then search and then type settings in the space. All right, to show up, tap on it for it to open. Now on this settings page, scroll until you get to general. Okay, tap on that general. Now once you tap on that general, you will see software update, you see about, you see iPhone storage. So tap on that iPhone storage, and now you can see the iPhone storage capacity here. It says 41.01 gigabyte earth, 64 GB used. So what this means is that I still have about 20.99 gigabyte space left. All right, you can see, if you take a look, you see that applications I have here covered most of my storage. All right, followed by photos, followed by books and iOS. All right, I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on how to complete some tasks using different software and devices. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have question, or you can say something good about this video. It won't take anything from you. And hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. You can check out this video to learn how to use Safari web browser in easy steps. Thank you and see you some other time.